Hello. 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 First of all, look at this scar on my face. I was sleeping and I woke up with it and I think I must have like scratched it when I was itching. I don't know. Welcome to my bathroom. I am gonna be showing you how I do this little natural, effortless beach wave situation. I have been doing this look now for almost a year probably, trying to get my hair back to being healthy because it went from like long, thick hair to when I moved to Los Angeles and started modeling, my hair like shrank up to here. It broke off, completely dead. I'll tell you more about that story in this video. When I show you how I curl the whole thing, just remember, like, you don't have to do your whole head. Leave some pieces, leave some trends. Like, the more natural, the better with this look. So the less you do, the better. The less is more. Less is more, always. I'm going to start off by showing you my natural hair. This is it. This is the length. I kind of have thinner, fine, natural, like wavy, beach wavy hair. I'm trying to just flatten that out, give myself a little bit more definition. I'm about to be heading to work. I actually am doing fitness today, so I need to have my hair up in a ponytail. But I thought, because I have a little bit of time to kill, I will show you how I do it. Starting off, step one, section the bottom piece. I like to split it in half so there's no hair in the back and I just leave it all in the front like this. I take my favorite straightener of all time, like ever of all time. This is the GHD Platinum Plus and it's ready. Like, boom. Taking the back piece here, about that big. So first I just run the straightener through and then I give it like a 1-2 motion. Here you go. And I kind of give it a little zigzag and try not to kink it and hold it for too long or else you'll get in like a straight line. This is what it ends up looking like and I'll just throw that to the back once I'm finished and work my way around. The second piece that I'm gonna do, so the first one was the zigzag and then the second one I'm gonna switch it and give it one of these like real curls. So turning it basically all the way around, holding on to the end piece, and then I kind of pull it down at the very end. I don't know if that made any sense. Let me show you one more time. Remember, there's no specific order. You can make this however you want, but I turn, I go down, and then right when I kind of hit the end, I just kind of pull it straight. Because I like it to be curled but straight at the ends. I don't want the ends to be super curly too. Of these zigzaggy line things here. There you go. Boom. Boom, boom, and boom. What I love about this hairstyle is that it does kind of, if you see, from my natural texture, it just kind of makes it a little bit more set. And I really like that because I don't have to do my whole head of hair if I don't want to. I've been trying really hard to keep the heat off of it. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. I still have to do the other side. I don't want to put too much heat on it, so I can kind of get away with just straightening through the bottom pieces and then just styling the top so that I can keep it healthy. It's hard to have healthy hair as a model, that's for sure. Yeah. If you guys have not seen me on my Instagram talking about my hair journey, just, oh my gosh. I'm gonna put in a few photos here just to show you. My biggest insecurity every day was my hair. Story short, what happened to me, my agent sent me to a new hair girl. I was fresh in LA. I didn't have anybody here that I trusted, so I just trusted her to tell me where to go. And I went to this person. They ended up doing like an orange tinted balayage where the front around my face was straight orange and yellow. And they didn't even fix my roots and make my highlights the way that I wanted. So I left. I was like, what am I gonna do? And my friend who was living with me in the model's apartment at the time had her own salon in Croatia. she goes, I'll do it for you. Like, I can fix your hair. So modeling on a budget, didn't have like $300 to spend on somebody to do my hair. And I went with her to the beauty supply store that was closing, and we got all of the supplies that we needed that were like bleach from L'Oreal, and we did my hair in the sink at the model's apartment and didn't put Olaplex on it after. Okay, so I take my hair down from the top, and usually I'll have 2 ponytail holders, but at the moment I only have 1. I'll put this piece back so that I don't recurl what I already did. And then I just flip this over, and then I'll work from here. Split it from the back so I don't have any pieces. And then I'm gonna start from the furthest away piece from my face, and then just do the same pattern over again. I don't even know. Okay. Again, just like a natural little curl. Back to my story. It didn't look bad. It was just so blonde, and I wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared to be that blonde. And at the time, I just was like, okay, anything's better than really dark roots. And from the bleaching process, it was so dry and frail. I just can't believe that I went through that. My hair was so short, and I didn't even realize it until it was too late. So another thing that I did, my hairstylist on one of my shoots goes, oh my gosh, your poor hair, I'm so sorry, it's so frail. Like, every time I put a straightener through it, it just breaks off. At one point, I was like, every strand matters. Like, I would get in that chair and I would just want to cry every single day. I go to set, I'm modeling, and then they're like, oh, we don't know what to do with your hair, it just doesn't look good. They're paying me to show up to make their stuff look good, and my hair looks bad. So it became a crazy insecurity. The way that I got it back to healthy was I went back to my natural color. I found a girl who was able to give me highlights that didn't look like I needed it to be done all the time. Well, that's a little too much. It's like pretty grown out, and it looks like a lived-in blonde, and I just got this done a few days ago. So she definitely does a good job of not over processing or over coloring. Going back to like closer to my natural color was a big game changer. And then also taking some vitamins. I tried Viviscal, I tried Nutrafol, I tried the Olaplex treatments, I tried this Redken protein cat something, and it's another like Olaplex treatment, and you spray it in the shower. And what I thought was, it says leave on for no more than 15 minutes, and I'm an extremist, so I left it on for like, you know, an hour, and I would like get out of the shower, I would walk around with it on, and then I would do a deep conditioner mask on top of that, thinking like, oh, I'm putting the protein back in the hair and then I'm gonna seal it with a deep conditioner. No. Over styling, over processing. You do not need that much stuff in your hair. That's basically my hair story. I finally, like I said, found somebody that works. I can walk into set feeling better now. I can tell you right now my experience with the Viviscal. It's a pill that you take, and you can get it from like CVS, Walgreens, behind the counter. And then my hair started getting super greasy at the top. I didn't really love, obviously, that, and my hair wasn't growing, and it says on the box, give it 3 to 6 months before you notice anything. So I'm taking it, I'm on like my 5th box of it. I'm like, nothing's happening, my hair is just greasy. So I decided to stop taking it, and then I found out about another product called Nutrafol, and it's more of a natural supplement that you can take, but there's 4 pills a day. And I was taking them for 6 months, and although I did notice a difference, it wasn't significant enough for me to continue on the subscription. Okay, we're getting to the end, guys. See how quick and easy that was? Oh, that doesn't look good. Let's curl this piece differently. So stinking easy. This what took me less than 10 minutes. Doesn't really matter how much hair you have. I feel like you can do this little style no matter what. I had a hairstylist on set that showed me how to do this. Oh. Cool. Yeah, so that's the trick to the front pieces, is just to straighten out the top and then to give it just like a once over little curl and then straighten. So essentially it's the same thing as the other curls around the head. A trick is to kind of flatten this side and then make sure it's in the curling iron flat, because the way that I'm right-handed, so this curl doesn't always look the same as this curl. So the trick is, like I said, flatten it and turn it away. And then I finish the curl down here halfway through. And then this one I can just curl straight around because that's where my hand is. Okay, so I'm gonna take out my little ponytail and flip it twice. And voila. That's it. And I just kind of finger through it, mess with it. I can put a little hair oil in the bottoms to style it, but this is how I will go to shoots if I have to do my own hair ever. And this is how I go to the beach, to dinner, to my friend's house, to the grocery. Like, no matter what, this is pretty much how my hair is styled. How'd I do? Can't see the back. So right now I'm about to put my hair up in a high pony. I have 2 ponytail options that I like to do. I will tuck the pieces behind my ears just ever so nicely. And then I pull all of it from the back. And then give it a little tug and pull from the back. And then this is my like sleeked back pony that I like. Another alternative is to pull down just a few pieces in the front and a few pieces on the side. So then you have like another like more undone hair option. Love. And then another option is to pull out even more and to give you these front bangs. Now I'm gonna show you the high pony, taking all the hair like so. Making sure I just rake through it with my hands. And then I go around 2 or 3 times. I'll do it 2 for the sake of the video. You can use a big scrunchie like this, like I like to do, because I feel like it's cute. To get it longer, I will pull down the longest pieces and they'll get longer, and then I kind of make it not completely straight to the back. I prefer it to have like a little bit of a side angle situation, like a little played-in pony. Do we like it? What do we think? Which one was your favorite? Do we like it up? Do we like it down? How do we like it? All the way around. I like to rhyme at the end of my videos. Yay, go us. That's it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, subscribe. I will catch back soon, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you for watching.